Yes, dear students. Good evening. Students who are in the online, am I audible? Please respond, all of you. Okay. Press. Fan శబ్దం వస్తుంది అక్కడ. Now let's start the discussion. I hope in the previous session, so I have already started the historical development of Python, versions of Python, and next we started with downloading process of Python. Did you remember how many versions of Python are there? Very good. 3 versions are there. Can you repeat? Python 1.x, Python 2.x, Python 3.x. What is the current version? Python 3.x. Right. What is the latest version? Python 3.12. Right. What is the industry used version? Python 3.8, 9, 10. Right. 3.11 and 12 are latest. They are in bug fixing stage. What is the feature version, students? Python 3.13 feature version, which is a pre-released version. I shown you already now. Well, and do you know the historical development? Who is the father of Python? Guido van Rossum. This is what I was explained in the last session. So, historical development of Python. This was available here. The official website of Python is what? www.python.org. And the versions also, I said, my dear students, versions. And I said, Python does not support backward compatibility. That I was already explained in the class. What is the meaning of it? And downloading process also, I said. Did you remember that entire thing? Have you installed that Python in your machines, in your laptops? Right. Fine, students. And those who are new members in this class, any member was new in this class, and we are giving the online students also. This is a first day, second day. First day you can leave it, because the first day I said what will be the importance of full stack. I said only the course. And the second and third day, and that is just I introduced the real-time applications of Python. And the third day, this fourth day onwards is important. From yesterday onwards, it is important. There I started the concept called what? What I shown you just now. This is what I shown you now. This is what I was explained. This video number 4 is important. If you start reading from where, the day number 4, it is more than enough. So if you are joined in today also, no issue. You just listen this day number 4, so that you will be joining with the regular session. Still, now I'm entering into the further. So now I'm going to say, and Shravan Kumar is asking, what is the duration of this course? And I already said in the class, my dear students, Shravan Kumar, I said, if you want, within 2 minutes, I will tell you, and I will enter into today's lecture is going to be, I'm entering almost, I started my subject yesterday. Today's class, I'm entering into what, features of Python. Features of Python. So I started now. We are going to enter. So Sabananda Siva. Sir, what is Python? So my dear student, almost you are in the class called what is Python. If you wait for a few minutes, I'll tell you what is Python. Few minutes wait, hold on. Yesterday also you asked the same doubt, and today also you asked the same doubt. By this time, you just hold on. Now I'm coming to the subject. Okay. Sharan, are you okay? Now I will go to this place. This is my topic. And it is a doubt for the students, duration also. What is your opinion about the divine AI? So my dear students, you see divine AI, and people are thinking that because of divine AI, jobs are going or something they are thinking. Just to take one small example, in USA, there is a driverless car came so many years back. Is it successful? Was it successful? It was out of order. So that was designed based on what? Driverless car almost so many years back came. But is it implemented? If you bring such a technology in Hyderabad or somewhere else, if you release the driverless car, what happens you can think of. So my dear students, now I'm going to say, don't worry about it. Wherever there is a quality of education, definitely they will get the job. This is most important point you remember. Wherever there is a quality, you will get selected like anything. Wherever there is a not a qualitative student, definitely there is an unemployment will be compulsory. Okay, na? So Divine AI, Open AI, Gemini AI, whatever the type of AI comes into the picture, it is only one advice to all my students. Make a qualitative things. How qualitative things? I'm just saying to you because one student asked me that. So please, my dear students, listen that what I'm taking. Now I'm going to take up. Now I'm going to take up here. I'm going to take up here. Somebody is saying, Biswa is asking, Biswo is asking. Somebody is saying, Bhargav is saying Tesla is successful. Why not that bring to Hyderabad or Bangalore or somewhere else when Bhargav, when Tesla was successful? Why everybody is not, when it is successful, they have to use everywhere, right or not? Why not they bring it? So, my dear students, so why to go for that? Coming to the point of it. Now let us move to the further. Now, coming to the point back. So I don't want to go for the type of discussion today. Let us learn qualitative subject. Okay, now? So I don't want to enter into that. As far as the duration is concerned, I'm just saying that my class duration is almost because it is, I already said, it is an industry-based Python I am discussing. It takes 3 months. This is compulsory. Each day is 1 hour 40 minutes. Is 1 hour 40 minutes. This is my duration. If you are fully interested, this is my duration. Suppose a person will feel 3 months or more or less, I don't know, but definitely 90% of the people will feel more time SAR is taking. We are taking this time because we are from industry. We want to cover each and every topic in the class. In some places, most of the places, 1 month they will take it. 1 month they will take. In 1 month, there are 30 days are there and minus 4 Sundays will come. That is going to be 26 here. 26 days will be there. And you are 1 day absent or faculty is 1 day absent or somebody, some festival will come because of that, some holiday will be coming. Look at take 26 days. They will teach most of the places 1 hour maximum. In 1 hour, 10 minutes late, 10 minutes early. 26 into 40 minutes, Python will be over. Because of that, not even in one startup company also he will qualify. This is what is my advice. Here, the total duration will be covered. This 3 month, 1 hour 40 minutes daily. And this is going to be 3 months with a complete explanation will be given with a deep programming. This is what is my things. Okay, now shall I continue my topic? So now I will move to the further. So about course fees and everything, the admin will give you the appropriate information. You try to contact admin. So let me talk about my things and the students who are in the online. If you have a doubt, I'm having a doubt handling facility at the end of the class. Try to utilize that. In the middle of that, if I am started talking like that, it will be a disturbance for hundreds of students. Now we will go for it. Anil, if you miss class, you contact the admin. There is a video facility is also there. There is a separate fees is there for that. If you have any such type of thing, contact the admin. Number is there. Right. Let me start with features of Python now. Is the course duration is clear? Now, let me enter into and my Python content is so big, which is going to be covered with so many number of industry aspects. I already said my course content, MCQs, and then real-time applications, and then system test, what will be covering. So much of thing is covering. So after 4 years completion, no job is coming into so much of money. And finally, what happens, you know. But here, when we come to training of important things which is related to job, and people will ask what will be the duration, or can you complete in 1 month or 2 months like that? So we cannot do that. And our things are I said my information. If you are interested, then you go for full length subject, deep knowledge, what is our class strength is. Now, let us move to the further. Now, next, I'm introducing after this features of Python I'm going to discuss. Okay, na? Now, what do you mean by features? Suppose you take it, features of C language. For example, you take features of C language. Take the example of features. You people completed C language. What are the features of C language? Any person knows? You studied features of C language. All you people, almost you completed features of C language. And here, coming to that, now I'm going to take up here features of C language. Anybody? Even if you go for features of C language, people are not aware of it. But C language, you will say something you know about it. Features of BTech CSC students, you take it. They also completed Java. Features of Java, you take it. They are not aware of it. Any language you take it, in order to build your career successfully, to write high-end applications, first of all, you need to know what are the various services language will provide. That is the first point you need to know. That is what I'm going to introduce today. So I don't know about your previous status, features of C, features of C++. I don't want to talk about that. Now I'm going to talk about what? Features of Python in detail now. So let us coming to the point back. Here I'm going to write it. What are the features of Python? So here I'm going to write it. Features of a language. Features of a language are nothing but features of a language are nothing but services or what you know facilities provided by language developers. I will elaborate it. First, go on listening it. Features of a language are nothing but services or facilities provided by the language developers in the languages which are used by language programmers. Language programmers means like you. Who is the language developer of Python? Yesterday's class I said Guido van Rossum. They provided a lot of features in the Python language, which are learned and used by what? Language programmers like you, and used by language programmers in development of where? In development of real-time applications. In development of real-time applications. So how many features are, what are the features present in Python? Let me give you one more small facility, one more small example I want to give you. For example, you are going to a mobile shop. You want to buy the mobile. You want to buy the mobile here. To buy the mobile, you are seeing various models, right or not? In that models, which model you want to buy? A model which doesn't have any services at all. And there is a model which provides more services. Which mobile we would like to take? More facilities. Because of more facilities, what you are going to do with it? Because of more facilities, what you are going to do it? Things will become easy, right or not? If I buy a more facilities related mobile, things will become what? Simple. Things will become easy. That is the meaning of what? Facilities. That are known as what? Features. Are you getting this? Some people purchased more facility mobile, but they don't know how to use it. Correct or not? They don't know how to save the contact also. Suppose you want to connect, a facility means a small example. I want to connect through my mobile network. I want to connect to my laptop and I want to download my Python software, for example. You need to go for starting what? Hotspot, connecting with your Wi-Fi, hotspot on, and hotspot is one facility or not. With that, I can download my Python software or not. Suppose if that person don't know about what? Hotspot facility, what will happen? He is having hotspot facility, but you don't know how to use that facility. You know C language, but you don't know what are the services present in C. You know Java, but you don't know what are the services present in where? Java language. Because of that, what will come? We can't even develop any application properly. Similar manner, here also, I hope you are understanding the meaning of what services or facilities. Now I'm going to introduce in Python programming. Since we are learning Python programming here, now I'm going to write the services in Python programming, features of Python programming. In Python programming, we have 11 features. We have 11 features. We have 11 features. What are those features? I just want to discuss. Number one, we are discussing about Python is one of the simple programming language. How it is simple, I will explain a biggest explanation for you with a practical exposure to it. Second one, Python is one of the platform independent language. Platform independent language. Independent language. What do you mean by platform dependent language? What do you mean by platform independent language? On which property we are saying something is platform independent, something is platform dependent? We are going to give you the clarity. And Python is which language? Platform independent. On what basis we can say Python is a platform independent language? And what are the platform dependent languages? Because of platform dependency, what will happen? Because of platform independency, what will happen? And what are the properties of platform independent? I'll explain in depth with the programmatic knowledge. Second, Python is one of the dynamically typed programming language. Dynamically typed programming language. Dynamically typed. There are two types of languages. One is what? Static typed programming language. One more is what? Dynamically typed programming language. And Python belongs to what? Dynamically typed. What are the properties of dynamically typed? I'm going to tell you. Suppose if I'm taking an interview or some interview based question, how can you say that Python is a dynamically typed programming language? Write a piece of code and then prove it. Write a piece of code to prove that Python is a platform independent language. Write a piece of code to prove that Python is a simple. They don't ask like an academic question. What are the features of Python? 15 marks question, 20 marks question, they don't give. They will give you directly what coding. They will ask you to prove it. That is called real-time standards. I'll explain one by one with practical knowledge. Python is one of the interpreted programming language. Interpreted programming language. Interpreted. There I will explain what is compiler based programming language, what is interpreted based programming language, what is compiler, what is an interpreter, how Python program internally executes, how C program internally executes. Of course, I don't want to highlight your weakness. Here in this class, no student knows how C program executes. Internally, how C program executes? Just an open question to everybody. How your processor interact? How your OS interact? Internally, how do you see the debugging process? Debugging process. There's a one beautiful properties there. Yesterday in ideally debug facility, I shown you how to see the debugging facility in C language. How internally C program will execute, Java program will execute. People are not aware of it. So I will tell you in the class, what is the interpretation process of Python? Why Python is an interpreted based programming language? What is compiler based programming language? What is interpreted based programming language? I will explain in the class. Next, fifth one is called what? Python is one of the simple, platform independent, dynamically typed, interpreted. Next one is called what? Python is one of the high level programming language. What do you mean by low level programming? What do you mean by high level programming? I'm going to discuss in detail of it. Sixth one is called what? Python is one of the robust programming language. Robust. What do you mean by robust? English meaning of robust is what? Strong. What do you mean by strong programming language? On what basis we are going to say it is a strong programming language? Seven, Python is one of the freeware, and next is what? Open source. Python is one of the freeware and open source programming language. And the next, Python is one of the Python is one of the extensible programming language, What do you mean by extensible? What do you mean by freeware? What do you mean by open source? What are the various types of freewares are available? What are the various types of open source codes of Python is available? I will explain in the class. Next, ninth, Python is one of the embedded programming language. How Python uses other kind of libraries, how Python can give its services to other languages. And Python is one of the both functional and object oriented programming language. Object oriented programming language. Object oriented programming language. Object oriented programming language. There I am going to explain about object oriented features in my class. If we look at, that is the one of the most important in AI, most important in my AI. You see that when you go to my places here, if you come, whoops features you take it, whoops concepts you take it. Almost you look at this whoops classes, constructors and classes means it is a one separate concept. See number of examples inside. These are all called a number of examples. You see that constructors, number of examples, and you see this encapsulation, banking account kind of examples. You take next is called a destructors, number of examples, nodes also followed by, and see this now inheritance, number of examples. You see that like that next polymorphism concept, number of examples. That is a separate things I'm going to discuss. If you look at that, index of that, because why I'm showing this entire thing for you, you must understand it is not just like a normal class. It's a branding for Python. See the whoops index. This is only the one area called whoops index. First level, second level, and next is called third level, and fourth level, and fifth level, sixth, seventh. Like that, there are so many levels. This is called index on the particular topic called what? Object oriented principles. Almost I am explaining about 10 days. That is the first facility which is available here. That is called what? Object oriented. When you come to functional programming, there is a separate area is there. Why I am showing all these things? Because student is thinking always like your previous 22 years, what you have seen in your teaching. This class is totally different. You will see a unique faculty in your lifetime. So here I'm going to take up functions, and here I'm going to say index of functions I'm going to see. First level, and next is called a second level, and third level, everywhere else programming example, third level, fourth level, fifth level, and these many levels we are going to discuss. This is about what? Functions. Almost I'm discussing about 8 days. This is the index what I'm going to show you here. And this is called both functional and what? Object oriented programming language. In depth of it we'll discuss. And the next is called what? It supports what? Third party libraries, third party APIs, such as NumPy, which I'm discussing. It is the most important in data science, which I already there in our class as a part of our full stack Python. Here you just look at, in the first day, I was introduced about the full stack as a part of core Python and advanced Python. I'm going to discuss what? Python for what? Data science. Their NumPy module, see that NumPy pandas here, and then matplotlib. This is, we are helping you to learn here as a part of your data science level. Supports NumPy, and next is called what? Pandas, and next is called matplotlib. Next is called SciPy, and next I am writing scikit, and next is called what? Scikit, and next is called NLTK, next is called Keras, and next is called what? Something like Cylon. So this is one more kind of thing, etc. These many things. But here I'm explaining as a part of this class about only this area. This will be covering in the data science level. Beginning only I'm saying these are the things. With the case studies I'm going to explain. with the case studies. And that two case studies, I want to show you one of the case study which I am discussing, which is just now in today's class I discussed it. Suppose you take Google Play Store. You know Google Play Store? How many apps are there and what is their installs, CSV file, Google is CSV files, Excel sheets, how to do the analysis. This I am explaining. This will be unique kind of level of explanation I am giving. It is only happening in this class only. And why I am showing all these things? Suppose by mistake, if you miss it, one day or the other day, you have to be in this class for getting this high-end kind of analysis things. When you are learning Python, this Python is available in wide range of fields. So once you know coding well, one can get high-end opportunities. Now I'm going to start with the first feature of called Python. So for my satisfaction, all of you must read out how many features are there in Python. How many features are there? 11. 11 features are there. Can you repeat once and slowly you read out? Slowly you read out. And all the students in the online, try to read out. Come on, everybody. Come on. Simple. Platform independent language. Dynamically typed. Interpreted. High level. Robust. Freeware and open source. Extensible. Dynamic embedded, both the functional and object oriented programming language. And Python supports third party APIs like this. Yes, enough. Up to if you read, it is enough. And this is those who are coming from Java. This word you might be seen. This word you might be seen. I'm going to explain in my class between Java and Python only. Java is a platform independent. Python is also platform independent. What is the greatest and upper hand about the Java? On Java, upper hand facility of what? In what way Java is going to be overridden by the Python? In what way Python is supporting more kind of things? Python is going to be more stronger than what? Java. How it is, I'm going to show practically in the class. I don't speak anything naturally with a theory. I'll speak everything with the programming only. Shall we start up? So how many features are there? 11. Suppose as some student asked, what is Python? One student asked, what is Python here? Some student asked or not? If that student answer I'm giving, if somebody asked me, what is the Python? I say, if I'm going to an interview, what is Python? Somebody asked, Python is one of the simple platform independent. All the 11 features I will tell. And in that, we are learning topic by topic, topic by topic. If they ask about with the Python programming, what is Python? I will tell all these things. Python is one of the simple, platform independent, dynamically typed, interpreted, robust, high level, freeware, open source, extensible, embedded, functional, object oriented, third party supports programming language. With the Python programming language, I can develop that I already said in my class, I can develop 20 plus real-time applications I can develop. What is Python if anybody says? I will tell this 11 features plus I will tell at least 10 application names I can say. What is Python? Like internet definitions, like one person's without any practical knowledge. Python is a general purpose language that this, etc. There is no scientific meaning for that. If anybody says, I'm not worrying about it. I worry about only practical knowledge. Shall we start now? Yes. Let us start understanding about it. So now I'm going to go to this place. Now I'm going to enter into this now. So are you able to understand now? Let us start the first feature of Python I'm going to discuss. Now I'm going to talk first facility called what? Simple. Simple. All these things I'm going to discuss in class in detail with the coding. So when I'm explaining coding during my explanation, it doesn't mean that you need to remember now only the coding. After these features are over, I will start coding from 0 level once again. Suppose I'm explaining simple. I should show you the simple coding for you, how it is simple. Correct or not? So if I explain only theoretically what is simple, if you buttify and if you go to an interview will ask you a question. How do you prove that Python is a simple? Write a code and show me. That time it is a problem for you or not? So when you are saying something, you have to support it. You have to convince the interviewer. Practically with a good knowledge, you have to convince. That is a way to face the interviews. Shall we start off? Yes. All of you try to speak out in the class. Don't sit quiet and calm. Python is what? Simple. Did you remember 11 features? If anybody asks outside how many features are there in Python? 11. At least you need to remember those features perfectly. Now I'm going to say a detailed discussion about why Python is simple. I will take almost 1 hour to explain why Python is simple. 1 hour I will take to explain what is Python is simple. In 1 minute also I can say why Python is simple. If I take 1 minute and if I explain, your money waste, your time waste, my time waste. As far as this class is concerned, I want to show everything practically in the class. That is the meaning of this class especially. Okay, now let me start. Python programming is one of the simple programming language. Simple programming language because of three important technical features. Because of three important technical features. Because of three important technical features. Technical factors, I can write it. Whatever we like it, we cannot go for explaining in the class. According to the PSF documentation, yesterday I said PSF. Did you remember the PSF meaning? It is one of the non-commercial organization maintaining and managing the Python software. And maintaining and managing means what? All the versions, updations, dropping the facilities, adding new facilities, and etc. And PSF is an organization maintaining which software? Python software. I'm all the things I'm saying according to the Python documentation. No X website, no Y website, etc. I'm going to follow the PSF documentation. Is one of the simple programming language. Because of what? Three important technical factors. So what are those? I just want to discuss those factors one by one. Factor number one, I'm going to discuss factor number one. What is this first factor of Python? What I'm going to discuss, try to carefully try to follow now. First factor number two, I am going to discuss. Next factor number three also I want to discuss. When I go for an interview, I must go for giving all these factors very nicely. Then interviewer will, that time immediately will show the practical reasons also. You'll open your laptop, you will show how it is simple. What is our talent in this class you are gaining? You are going to an interview by opening the laptop and you are answering the questions. That is the way you need to face the interviews. Understand, students? Anywhere else, if you go for Python interviews, you have to carry your laptop and speak open in front of the interviewer. What they are answering, open it and say. Suppose they are asking a question called, what are the various copying techniques in Python? You would explain shallow copy, deep copy. Show immediately shallow copy coding. Show immediately deep copy coding and explain. They will feel very happy for it. If you explain theoretically, no meaning of that. If you show practically like that, you will be convincing with the interviewer. That is the standards followed in the all prestigious institutes like IITs, NITs, and IIITs. Are you able to get my point? Let us start the first factor. Now I'm going to discuss about the first factor. All of you must be careful. Let us take a general thing from the last 2 days onwards I am taking. Let us take one requirement. My requirement is like this. To generate, I'm going to take a known thing only I'm taking. That I already said. Once again, I'm explaining through this part because already you know, and some new students may be there. For them, I'm just again taking. To generate a month of an year. To generate a calendar for the month of generate a calendar for the month of an year. So month of an year. Which month I want? For example, I want March month. of 2024 calendar I want. You open your mobile, there is an app called what? Calendar. When you click on that, what will come? 1 month calendar will open or not? In that month, I can see week based plan also you can prepare. You can see the complete year also. This kind of requirement, I want to do it in C language. You think about it. Practically, you think. This is my advice for all of you. In C language, how can you implement? How do you write a code? How do you write a code? This is my question for you. For writing this code, this will one day I will bring my laptop and I'll show you. I have written the code in C language. Almost it takes 250 plus lines of code it will take. 350, 250, no, almost 350 lines of code it was taken it. Is it easy to write? Come on, respond. Don't move your head like that. Is it easy to write? Difficult, difficult. The more you respond now, the more subject you will get it. That is open secret. You say wrong, no problem. First few days you say wrong, no problem. But you will habituate to speak correct. You just follow my guidelines, students. See how I will make you to learn Python in my class. Just follow my guidelines. Next, in Java programming, I am taking. Java language, you take it. How do you write this? How do you write this code? To write this code, I already said in the class, there are 25 lines of code you will write it. You search in internet at least date code, month, generating the month calendar using C language. So many lines of code you will get it. In C, Java programming, you take it. This many lines of code you will get it. You come to C#.NET. This is another programming language. How do you write this code? Same 25 lines of code is coming. Writing this many lines of code for the student or real-time professional, is it easy or difficult? Difficult. It's a difficult. So writing these many lines of code, writing these many lines of code, writing these many lines of code is called complex, is complex. That is called difficult. Sir, how can I write? Is there any way easy? Is there any easy way for writing the code? The only one and one, if we go to Python, I'm going to write the code. How do you write the code in this Python? I'm going to write just how many lines? Yes, 2 lines of code only I will write it. Sir, to write this beautiful code, this says what? Less lines of code is providing, and next is what is provided? More meaning is provided. This is a slogan of Python coding. The industry experts said that less lines of code and then what? More meaning is provided. Sir, to work in software industry, dear students, always habituate this work. To work in industry, this is always, you must remember it. To work in industry, one must learn the SE, the software engineer has to learn libraries. This is the most important word I am writing. Libraries means what? It's a place where a lot of predefined code is available that you are learning and you are going to reuse it as a part of my software development. You take a normal life, you take an electrician who came to your home to fix some tube light. What he will bring it? He will bring his own tools or not? Will he come without any tools? Will any person comes without tools? No. That tools are called what? It's libraries. You take one person who is fitting the AC and he will come with his own tools or not? You go for bike servicing, he has his own tools. Like that, what are the tools for you to work in the industry? What is the place for you to work in the industry without writing your own code? That is only the one and only one thing called what? Libraries. Tell me, more libraries if you learn, your writing the coding will be reduced. Why? Libraries are already containing what code? Predefined code is there. In C language, there are 256 header files are there. Now, dear students, in C language, libraries are called what, you know? Header files. Header files we can call. In C++ programming, libraries are called, in C++ programming, libraries are called what you know, header files. Header files. There somebody also can call it as what? Namespaces also we can call. Then in Java programming, libraries are called, Java language, libraries are called what you know, packages. Packages. In Python programming, this is what we are interested in. In Python language, libraries are called what you know, modules, are called modules. And here I am going to take it. Modules are present in where in Python? Packages. And in my class, you see students, there is a separate topic I am discussing with you. You go to the 6 p.m. my next batch, which is already going on. There is a topic called what? Modules. There is a topic called modules. See that inside of that, see number of examples there. Inside of that, number of examples are available. After that, there is a concept called what? Packages are available. Here also I'm discussing packages. See that there's a bank package, Roman package, AP package, so many number of packages. These are called what? Compressed zip files, these are called. Zip files, they are called. Inside the zip files, there are some different type of applications are there. Are you following? How to develop your own modules also I'm going to develop. Predefined modules, programmer defined modules. How can you distribute your own modules to the industry? How can you contribute the new modules to the industry? If that is certified by PSF documentation, they will take your module also useful module in the Python. If we become an expert, we can do such type of work. Are you following me? Donate to PSF, some option is there. If you submit your research work to the PSF, if they like your research work, and if it is not there in your Python software, if they really like it, they will add your feature also to what? The Python software, and they will write your name also, a member of PSF. Are you able to follow this? Right. My dear students, come to the point back. Now, come to this now. What is the beauty behind this less lines of code and more meaning? The one and only one reason is available called what? Modules. Come on now. Learning Python is nothing but learning about what? Modules. Because of learning more modules in the Python class, are you writing more code or less lines of code? So why Python is simple now? If you say, I want to listen it. Come on. Python programming provides Python programming provides rich set of, I'm using the word rich set of what? Modules. Rich set of modules. So that what Python programmer will do. What is a module definition also today I will tell you. Rich set of modules. So that what are you doing? So that Python programmer is writing the code on their own, reusing the code which was already there. Reusing the code. What is the word called reuse? Suppose you are a student. You are the learner now. You are the learner. Your parents are there. Your parent is giving the money for you. The money is present with whom? Parent. He has worked for a long time in your government job and he has some money with them, and you are studying and you are paying the college fees. And are you earning and paying, or you are reusing the money which was already developed by your parent? Reusing. What do you mean by reuse? Already available. That you are going to take it without you are writing the code. Without you are earning, you are getting somebody's earning. Somebody's development you are taking as it is. That is called what? Reuse. Did you understand the meaning of reusability? That I will explain so perfectly when I come to functions, modules, packages, inheritance in my Python classes. So Python programmer can what? Reuse the predefined code. Reuse the predefined code which is present in where? Which is present in where? Modules. Which is present in where? Modules. So Python programmer will feel easy to write the code or difficult to write the code. So that's why Python is which language? Simple programming language. And outside people are thinking Python is simple, simple, simple. You bring one simple person in front of me, I will ask a code. How do you write a Python program for generating QR code? QR code. Do you know QR code? You are scanning outside now. Write a Python program for generating QR code. Is it easy to write or difficult to write? You know one thing. It is easy, provided you must know what? Module. Suppose if you don't know module, you know Python, but you don't know module. Is there any use, students? No. In Python class, daily you must learn what? Yes, then you are going to be ultimate person. You learned C language. You did not learn any day about the complete header files. stdio.h, two functions, you know, printf, scanf, math.h, you know, one sqrt function. Next, you know about what? CLR, SCR, conio.h. Next, string.h, four functions you learn. 8 functions, four header files. That only, you know, only 8 functions, four header files. Out of 252 minus 4 header files, you don't know almost what? 256 minus 4, 252 header files we don't know, we cannot get the job anywhere. But in Python, I'm going to tell you so many number of modules to work in various fields. Once you get this ultimate knowledge of how to use fields, and you will get automatically how to find the new modules also. I'll tell you the technique of how to learn self-learning capabilities. I will make you to learn in the class. Are you able to understand? So for every activity to do it in Python, what is compulsory need to learn? Module. Always it should be there in the brain. I'm going to Python class, I have to learn module. I'm going to Python class, I have to learn module. That is what is your intention. Don't learn theory. Now let us want to show you some sort of code now. Can I show you the code? Let me say, this is my requirement. This is my requirement. And that code I'm writing, less lines of code and more meaning I'm going to provide. Let us go to the Python thing. Yesterday I said how to go to the Python environment. Did you remember? Yes. Coming to the place, start button. You might be already went to the Python yesterday only. Go to all apps. And I said what, you know, Python here, Python here, Python 3.12. In Python 3.12, there are two things are there. I said one is the Python command prompt. One more is called Python IDLE. This is the beginning stages. I will tell you for 10 to 15 days. I will tell you this will be only for practicing purpose, and you will get confident enough to prepare the one line of instructions. Once you trained like that, I will directly go for what yesterday I said, PyCharm, Jupyter Notebook, VS Code, Atom, some type of real-time IDs I said. I will go to that. Generally, I used to teach on PyCharm, Jupyter Notebook. They are the popular IDs in the software industry. And other IDs also I will train you students. Let us go to the that kind of thing. Let us go to this place. Here I'm going to take up Python 3.12. Click on this now. This is comes under what now, students? This is called what? My version is what yesterday? 3.12.2. I forget what is 3. Very good. Very good. What is 12? So beautiful. What is this dot 2? Alpha, beta versions. That you are already more than enough. Now, see your improvement in day by day in the class. Now I'm going to generate the calendar. Now I'm using import. About import, I will tell you 7 syntaxes. I will tell you 7 varieties of syntaxes. I will tell you all 7. If I show you, you'll feel that sorry showing everything in the content only. So 7 varieties of import. Today I'm taking what is the module name? Calendar. Don't write DER. You will get error. See the error now. Module not found error. No module named what? Calendar. Spellings also important. I am going to say, come on now, import. What is that? Calendar. Calendar. As what? C. You can write a calendar also, no problem. Calendar. That time I will write what you know. Complete name I will write it. Calendar. Dot what? You know, month. Don't worry about that entire what I am writing. Just 2024 and then 3 I am writing and close the bracket properly. Is it simple? 2 lines are enough to generate the calendar or not? Yes. So simple. I want to generate one more thing. Print of calendar dot calendar dot month of, I'm going to say something like, 2023 12th month I want. December of 2023, that is 2023 December month this is. Like that you can generate any month of any year. You can directly give you what? Directly 1 year also you can develop it. What is this now? Print of calendar dot calendar dot calendar of what? Now students in the online, am I audible now? So there is a small power issue, small interruption in the power part. Now it's clear, I hope so. Is it clear now? And let's move to the further. Okay, students. Now let's start the discussion now. Come to the point back. Here I'm writing. This is my part here. Calendar dot calendar of what? 2024. You just look at that. Now I'm getting the complete calendar here. Now I'm getting the complete calendar here. Are you able to follow this now? Here I'm going to say 2024. This is going to be the complete calendar here. Are you able to follow now? So coming to this and writing the calendar in further, there is a separate discussion about the module name called what? Calendar. How do you find the number of days between two dates? How do you find the number of hours between two dates and the number of seconds? How do you subtract the dates? How to sort it out the dates? All those things, so many number of examples I'm telling about that. One more example I want to tell you. Take an example again. One more thing. What is the module name you are learning today? Just know the name of the module. What is the module name? Calendar. For example, I want to calculate 3 factorial. I want to calculate some 6 factorial. I want to calculate some 0 factorial. In C programming, I will write around 15 lines. Java also around 15 lines. And C#.NET also around 15 lines. But when I come to Python programming, I am just writing how many lines? 2 lines I am just going to write it. The beauty behind that is there is a module name called what? Math module. What is the module name? Math module. How to develop that math module? Just to go to the front. Let us look at students. Math I am going to take up. So now I am going to take up for my convenience to easily understanding you people. Just let us take one same thing. Python 3.12.2 only. Now I am going to take up. Students in online. Now I'm going to take it what? Import what? Math as M. Alias name I am taking. Like your nicknames, what your parents are calling. Like one more syntax I am using math M. Don't worry about that M and all. Don't worry about that import and all. I will explain so perfectly for you. Now I'm writing here print of what? M dot. There is a function name called what? Factorial of what? 5. 1 into 2. Factorial of 5 means you already aware of it. Factorial of 5 means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. This is going to be the factorial which is going to get. 3 factorial is equal to 1 into 2 into 3. Or you can also say what? 3 into 2 into 1 also you can say. You'll get the same answer or not? Dear students, now this is an answer you will get it. Factorial of just 4 I will say. Factorial of 2 I will say. Factorial of 0 I will say. 0 factorial is called 1. So whether you will use or professional will use, it is going to be the same or not. And moreover, I'm going to tell you the help of what? Math module also I'm going to tell you. I will show the PSF documentation. Internally, how this documentation is available also, I will explain to you. And next, one more thing I want to generate. I want to generate something like OTPs. I want to generate something like OTPs. Why OTPs are required? For security purpose. I already said in my class 1 or 2 days back, for security purpose. You take one more thing called what? Captcha code you take it. Captcha code you take it. Captcha code you take it. That captcha code contains what? Some letters are there, some digits are there, etc. I'm going to explain the logics for that. For this kind of thing, I am going to use what? Random module. Do you know, students? Of course, I'm not boasting about my class. In random distribution, in random, if I go, I'm talking about random data distribution. Maybe you studied in your statistics, uniform distribution, normal distribution, Poisson distribution, binomial distribution. These distributions I'm going to explain in my class. That is in terms of what? NumPy, pandas level. I will explain the distributions mechanism for you. And I'm going to show you the visualization, how normal distributions, where we can use it in real time and all. So first time I'm going to use one module called what? Random. I want to generate OTPs. For such kind of things, I'm importing. Import what? Random. As what? R. And I'm just saying that R dot. R dot. My requirement is called what? 4-digit OTP or 6-digit OTP. You tell me your choice. I will give you that choice of OTP. Suppose, for example, 4-digit OTP I want. I will tell you, take you like this. So there it is going to say, close it. And randomly one number will be coming. Randomly one number will be coming. Sorry, close this now. Randomly one number will come. And you go on saying, for every time one type of unexpected number will come. How do you send this OTP? Through your mobile? To your mobile, how to send it? Or to your specified Gmail ID or any ID, how to send it? Are you able to get this now? Are you able to follow this? So how do you go for this type of combinations? So what is the module name here? What is the module name you are getting? Random module. So how to do this type of modules? So many number of modules I'm going to cover in my class. And finally, what is our conclusion now? Read out this now. What is the factor number 1? Python is simple. When do you feel that Python is simple? The Guido van Rossum said Python is simple because he said that in Python, there are a lot of modules are present in Python. Whoever learns Python, learn so many modules so that that type of Python programmers can reuse the predefined code, which is present in where? Then Python programmer will feel what? Simple. But not for students to say Python is simple. But in training divisions and all, what they say, Python is simple, 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 they will say. Is it really simple? Huh? It's a danger for them. Suppose if that person comes to me, Python is a simple, somebody will define definition of Python is a simple programming language. If we define something, something meaning must be there. Unnecessarily defining, unnecessarily making the students to learn wrong things is not correct. Why Python is simple? Python is simple because it contains lot of modules. If you learn that modules, you will feel Python is what? Simple. Otherwise, you will feel it is a difficult. Correct or not? Suppose I want to draw one histogram. I want to draw histogram. Do you know histograms? Graphs, you know, na? Pie chart, line graph, scatter plotter graph, horizontal bar graph, vertical bar graph, scatter plotter graphs, pie charts. How do you write it? How do you write it in an easy manner with a 3-4 lines of code? How it is possible? It is only possible with Python coding. It is not possible with Java. Completely difficult. C++, C language, Java, C sharp, completely difficult. As on today, data visualization is very important or not? That way, data visualization, if you want to go for it, any job you take it, data visualization tools are supposed to learn by you. You see the opportunities in Google, you search for it and see that compulsory requirement to be known is what? Python. That too with the data visualization tools, analysis tools, mathematics, calculation tools, you need to know it. All such type of tools I am going to explain in Python. So Python is simple or difficult? So how can you justify to the interviewer? Python is a simple. You have to say Python is one of the best language and simple programming language because it contains what? Rich set of modules. Because of modules, what are we doing? Reusing the predefined code, which is present in where? Without writing, without writing, without writing our own source code, our own source code. I'm using one technical word called without writing our own source code. What do you mean by source code? A source code is the one which is developed by the programmer with their own hands. Is called what? Source code. If you write some set of instructions by yourself, it is known as what? Source code. Suppose I am taking one source code, I will show you. In an example, I am going to take up. In 6 p.m., there is an ATM code is there. Bank operations I am opening. Bank operations I am opening. This is called what? Source code. This is a source code I wrote it. One more source code I will open it. ATM menu. I am going to open it. ATM demo. I am going to show you the runner property for you. This is called what? Source code we can call. Are able to follow? This type of code is called what? Source code. Writing on our own, some sort of code we are writing. Such a type of bigger code need not to write because we are writing 1 or 2 lines of code. That's why Python is called what? Simple. Are you able to get it up? Fine. Next, I'm going to introduce what is the definition of the module. I just want to tell you. Definition of the module I want to tell you. This part, next class I will tell you because I need to, because daily some students are left out with doubts. Today I will talk to them. So 5:24 now, I will clarify the online students' doubts because some people are left leaving because I have 6 o'clock class also. I'll stop now because I will, when I come back to tomorrow class, I will give you the definition of module. Factor 2, factor 3, tomorrow class I will cover. So did you understand today? So what we started today's lecture? We started with what? Features of Python. Daily I will discuss 1 or 2 features I will discuss. Tomorrow when I come back, I will discuss what? Simple. I will complete the simple. I will go for the second feature, third feature, and I will introduce what also? Platform independent also I will start. That also I will discuss in the class. Very, very important. Java is also platform independent. Python is also platform independent. What is the difference with the coding? I will explain. In Java, what is not possible? In Python, how that not possible thing made us possible in Python. I will show you that difference for you so that you can speak to any interviewer very more fluently. Right or not? So I'll stop my class tomorrow at the same time. We'll join in the class and we'll clarify. We will start our subject. I'll continue tomorrow with this concept. I'll continue this property. Simple property, I will continue. Thank you. All the best. Online students, you can hold on. You can hold on. I will clarify your doubts. కూర్చో అక్కడ కూర్చో మళ్ళా పిలుస్తాను నేను. Students who are in the online, I'll call your names and one by one make your doubt precise and ask. Here, Venkatananda, Venkatananda,
Hello, sir.
Venkatananda, please.
Oh, good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am. Tell me.
Sir, is it
Venkat-
really matter? CGPA really matters, sir, to get job?
Your voice is breaking for me. I'm not getting your clarity in your voice.
Hello,
Tell me.
is it really CGPA matters, sir, while getting job?
Your voice is giving me a breaking. I'm not getting clarity in your voice. You set right by yourself and I will come back once again to you. Ravichandra. Ravichandra. Next, Vignesh. Vignesh. And next, Anita. Those who has the doubt, you hold on. You hold on and raise your hand. One by one, I will come in the class. One by one, I will discuss. Anita.
గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ సార్.
Good evening, ma.
యా సార్, ఇప్పుడు మీరు చెప్పేదే నోట్స్ లో ఉంటుందా లేదా మీరు చెప్తుంటే ఇప్పుడు మేము నోట్స్ లో నోట్ చేసుకోవాలా?
No need, ma. I will give full-fledged notes for you.
ఓకే, నోట్స్ ఎప్పుడు ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తారు సార్?
I'm
ఫీ
giving
పే
daily.
చేసి
I'm giving daily. Full notes we don't give it. We will give day-to-day notes what I discuss in the class. Daily I will send you the notes like our things. Whatever the notes, whatever the topic I discuss, that topic notes immediately I will send.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు నిన్న మొన్న మనకి మీరు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసింది అది నేను డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోలేకపోతున్నాను.
That you contact once to admin. They will guide you.
యా ఓకే సార్,
Right.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
And next student, Radha Krishna.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, Radha Krishna. Yesterday I called 2 to 3 times, but you did not get it. You continuously going on asking. I have a doubt. I have a doubt. I called you yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Then tell me now. What is your doubt?
Sir, just I'm taking some other class as well in the morning. So, my doubt is I'm not getting JSX in React, sir. I'm unable to create a JSX in Visual Studio Code. So, could you help me out?
When you are in Python, what is your doubt? You ask me. Other courses, I am not interfering that. This course only, if you have a doubt, you can ask me.
Only this one doubt, sir. If you could help me out.
See, I cannot enter into other subject. That faculty will take care. You talk about my subject. Any doubts are there, you can ask me.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, in Python, you say core Python, advanced Python, and NumPy Pandas. This is the only package for learning only Python or full stack. Any other packages will also add, sir.
What is this is now? Module 1, Python programming, data science. During this core Python, advanced Python, lot of modules are there. That are the predefined modules. These are the data science related modules. Here, there are so many modules I am discussing here.
Sir, I have one more doubt, sir. For example, I'm learning printing technologies. So I saw some job requirements. So Python backend programming is one is more enough, sir, to
Yes.
run the program.
Yes. Because to write the backend programming, you need to have complete knowledge on coding completely.
I created one website, sir. It's like the same Facebook. So to run that program, to run that website, we need this Python, right?
Yes, scripting is
And
required.
and what about PHP and PHP, sir? What it gonna do?
That is also for small scale organizations. We build their websites.
It's a it's like same like a Python, sir, or some other framework?
See, my dear student, if it is same like Python, why Python will come, why Java will come, all these things. Please put a reasonable doubts, ma. Please put a reasonable doubts. Okay, na?
Oh, okay, sir.
Right. Next, Satya. Another student, Satya.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Please tell me.
Sir, actually, could you go through the installation process for Python on Mac OS, please? Because for this environment variable checkbox is not appearing when I install.
That's what yesterday also I said. If anybody is there in Hyderabad, if you are near in Hyderabad, if you come and we will show you that. Because in my system, it is going to be a Windows machine is there. If you are there in Hyderabad, if you come, a lot of our technical team is there, they will show you that.
Oh, I'm from UK, sir, actually.
Okay. So we will give you one technical support after 2 to 3 days. We will give you one technical support if you don't mind.
Okay, yeah.
Are you go for one thing? VMware you install, just like how you work with Windows, you can start working like that.
Okay, VMware. Yeah.
So, Satya, if you don't mind, wait for 2 to 3 days. We'll provide you. We are planning to go for some virtual doubt clarification also, 24/7 kind of property. Any doubts are there, we'll give you that link and you can post that doubt and our people will interact with you.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Jagdish Verma.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, Jagdish Verma.
Yeah, hi KVR Garu. Good afternoon, Andy.
Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon. So myself Jagdish. Okay, so today I joined. This is my first class. Okay, I'm also joining from UK. Okay, I came across you about your profile and your caliber. Okay, so I just want to take advantage of your skill set and continue this session.
Most welcome.
But today is my first session. So can you please suggest me, is it a good idea to progress from tomorrow, or do I need to wait for the other session? Because I got an email from Naresh IT. So in that Naresh IT, it was mentioned that your batch starts from today.
Yeah, that's what I said. Verma, if you don't mind, in the last class, if you just look at first day, I said what is full stack. Only I said non-technical things. My course contains what like. These are the things I just written it. That's all. It is
Okay,
even.
no problem.
This is very easy. Even I'm showing today also nothing. And the second day I said about second and third day I said what are the various applications developed by using Python. I said.
Okay. Yeah, got it. Yeah.
Yesterday I said the installation process of Python. If
Mm-hmm.
you just
Understood.
look
Yeah.
at this day 4 lecture, if you listen now, you will just
Yeah.
automatically understand. Easily you will follow. I hope this
No
video
problem. So what I will do, I will just go through these all 4 days YouTube sessions, and we'll come back. Yeah,
It is
we'll
easy
come to
for
that
you.
tomorrow.
Tomorrow
Yeah.
we will say some simple it is for you.
Yeah, no problem, KVR Garu. Yeah, you can call me Jagdish. Yeah.
Yeah, Jagdish, no problem.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Right. Thank you. Good day. All the best. Take care.
Yeah.
Next, Deepak. My dear student, Deepak.
Thank you. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
All right, sir. So see, I am actually working in the industry for about 10, 15 years now. I'm in more on cyber security. I'm keen to learn Python to kind of improve and get a little bit on hacking and things like that. The question I had was like we have started off with direct modules and all. As we progress, will we be covering the basics? Because it's been a while I did my engineering now, like all the loops and things like that. All those will be covered as part of training.
100%. No, we are having look at that once, but that loops and all we are talking about. I hope Deepak, you might be heard about hacker ranking, lead code kind of things. It's a competitive programming. Might be you heard about it.
Yeah. In your classes, I've heard about it. Yeah.
Yes, this is loops you see. So many number of examples we used to discuss. So many, ample of examples where it is useful for you to build your logic skills.
So that'll be covered as part of this training, or is it a
Yeah,
different one, hackathon?
it is,
No.
we are going to cover. It is going to be covered as a part of our full stack Python, core Python level itself. It will be covered.
Okay, cool. Okay, all right. Yeah, that's pretty much what I had. Thanks a lot. So I think it's going good.
Yes.
Looking forward.
Yes. Take care. Next, another student, I'll go for Lakshman Chaudhary. Lakshman Chaudhary.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, I did not raise my hand, and I do not have any question because your doubts, there is no doubts actually, sir. It's pretty clear to me, sir.
Okay, okay.
Thank you so much, sir. KVR, sir. Thank you.
Okay, take care. Next student, Rahul. Rahul.
Yeah, good evening, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, Rahul, please. Clear. You are clear.
Sir, I got a doubt like, can we use Python in hardware side programming like in embedded systems?
Yes, embedded systems, already it is going on.
Yes,
Already
where
it is
there is no
going.
involvement of AI.
Generally, generally it required. It is required. Generally, they in the earlier days when 6 to 7 years when the version was old, Python was not that much suitable for mobile application development. Now that problem has overcome. In Python 3.12, that problem has overcome. So earlier people used to use in VLSI embedding kind of things. People used to use C and 8086. Now Python is pretty good to use it in hardware development also. Functionality for hardware devices you can develop like IoT application development. Python is pretty good.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
Rahul?
sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I got another doubt. Like,
No
I
problem.
was saying that we have to import those some modules, right? Will there be any memory issue for?
I will explain that in the class. Memory management. Tomorrow only you can come across that.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, is it difficult to remember all the modules and all the functions?
Don't feel like that. You have to remember. See, nothing to feel difficult, my dear student. More practice will make you to learn well. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
For example, you take a mobile. We are seeing so many times mobile. Are we remembering all settings in the mobile or not?
Yes, sir.
Beginning day is very difficult for us to remember. But later it is going to become simple or not?
Yes, sir.
Here
Sir,
also.
as I'm a fresher, will I get any opportunity if I learn this Python in embedded also?
You can, once you get trained in this Python completely, you can look into different areas where you will feel much easy, not a difficult. You only will tell, let me enter into the coding so that you can see that.
Sure, sir. Thanks.
Right.
Thank you.
And next, another student, Sayada.
Hello. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma.
Sir, I had a doubt regarding the placement. Like, does Naresh IT provide 100% job assistant, or like will the companies come to Naresh IT, or
You
people will send us over to the
contact admin. Subject doubt, you keep it to me. Subject doubt is there.
Okay, sir, but when I came to Naresh IT, I saw many people were placed in the Naresh IT, but they were just in Java and .NET, but I could not find anyone in the Python or that was,
You come to my premises and see that how many NASCOM certified people are there. You come to my Python premises and you see that.
Okay.
And next, Venkatesh.
హలో సార్
Yeah, Venkatesh, please tell me.
సార్ అదే 3 months లో మొత్తం ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్స్ యూఏ మొత్తాన్ని కంప్లీట్ అవుతాయి సార్
Python programming.
ఓన్లీ పైథాన్ 3 months ఓకే
Python programming. Okay. And parallelly you will do, along with the Python, you will do another session parallelly UI also.
యూఏ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్
UI, the web frameworks. After, I will tell you the roadmap in the class, how to continue along with this Python. Okay? Na?
ఓకే సార్
Right. Next student, Sham K.
Hi, sir. My question is,
Sham, I did not get your voice.
can you hear me? Am I clear now?
Yeah. Now tell me.
Okay, I'm looking to learn Python for audio data engineering. So, in this Python course, so I think only the part one is
Enough.
relevant, right?
Part one is enough because you need only scripting there.
Okay.
Part one is enough, more than enough for it, because I will cover their database communication also to you.
Okay, so this is the relevant course, or is there any other course with Naresh IT only for like audio data engineering?
No, this is every Python, what I'm explaining, this is suitable for all of them. For DevOps, AWS, for all of them, this is suitable.
Okay, so I need to learn the part one, 2 and 3 is not needed.
Module one, part one. Full
Okay.
stack, this part programming of Python needed. Okay.
Okay, so thank you.
Right. Next, one more student. Shivam Chandra.
Yeah, hello, sir.
Shivam, please.
Yeah, so I'm in IT sector from past 10 years actually, and uh, my question is like I've been working in the DBA sector most of the time. So I was looking for automation part. So that is a major thing other than the advanced and basic. So whether you are going to cover it or how is it?
See, automation means you are working on testing, correct?
No, means like automation of like whatever the codes, what are the generic jobs, what we are doing it. So we have to automate those jobs so that it will be automatically handled. There would be no manual or human intervention into that.
Maximum you are writing scripting over there. Script.
Correct. Yeah, correct.
That is easily you can do after covering of core Python. Easily you can do it.
Okay.
Simple, very easy. Total scripting you will get it in core Python. Still, if you want to become an expert, we have to complete this. And to become a data analytics engineer, this is also required. These three modules also, if we complete, it will be a full Python, you know.
Okay. So Django and all those things is a part of framework, or how is that actually?
Yeah, framework. That is not necessary. For your requirement, what you said, it is a part one is enough. Module one is enough. Python programming is enough.
Okay. So, okay. And the second question is the whatever the other classes you showed, like Django and framework, and so those, these one, module 2, module 3. So either you are going to take it in the same timing, like 4 to 5:30 or 4 to 6 o'clock, or some other faculty in some different time it will be taken actually.
Yeah. Yes, sure. That is parallelly they will take, because I am continuing this, because if me only to take it, it takes lot of time now.
Okay.
Lot of time. So in parallelly, in morning time, based on the students' maximum, they will take you the timing, which timing is feasible for starting this UI module. They will collect the information from you people, and maximum students, whoever opt for the timing, they will start one time, and another on another options, they will be writing morning, evening, something like that. Based on that, they will start the feasible timings for all the students to satisfy.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Right. And next, Venkat CH.
Sir, good evening, sir. KV Rao, sir.
Good evening.
Thank you for your session. Sir, I am new for this coding, sir. Can I?
No problem, my dear student.
Actually,
no problem. You
actually,
will
I
get.
am the manual testing from past 8 years. I want to get into the coding session. That's the reason. First
Very
session I
easy. Very easy for you. Nothing to feel difficult. Today you remembered what you said. You felt difficulty in coding. You are fearing a coding. But after my classes listening, it will be more easy for you. You just remember what sir said, that it will be made just like anything. But you need to read my notes, and daily you need to practice what I am giving it.
ఓకే అప్పుడు మేము ఇంకా ఫుల్ స్టాక్ నేర్చుకోవాలా సార్ లేకపోతే ఎలా నేర్చుకోవాలి సార్ మాన్యువల్ టెస్టింగ్
if you want to go for Selenium side, manual, if you want, only module 1 is enough. Python is enough.
అంటే నేను కంప్లీట్ గా వచ్చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాను బయటికి
to come out of that, to become a full stack developer, you learn all the modules. Complete full stack you learn all the 5 modules which I mentioned here.
5.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right. And next, another student, Mohan.
Hello.
Mohan, please.
So good evening, sir.
Good evening, Mohan.
Sir, if you learn Python full stack, is it necessary to learn React.js?
Is it? What is? Can you repeat once again, student?
If we learn full Python full stack, is it necessary to learn React JS?
Angular here. Not necessary.
Okay, sir.
React is not necessary. They are taking about Angular. Angular they are explaining here. No, you need not to learn
Oh,
React.
okay, sir.
Right. Next, Mahalakshmi.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, Ma.
Sir, actually, I come to know that already for UI technologies, already a batch started 1 week back.
No, Ma, don't worry about that because for now, full stack Python students for 4 p.m. we will start another batch of it. Nothing to worry about it. Okay, na?
Okay, sir. But in admin section, they told that but 15 days after 15 days they will start the next batch.
Yeah.
So continue with this batch so that you can decrease that 15 days of time.
See, Ma, joining all of them and getting confusion is good, and following the faculty instructions is good.
Yeah, sir. Even I thought of that from actually 6 classes are over, sir. If I continue that also, I need to spend 9 hours continuously to came into the present section. That's
Yes,
why I
Ma,
thought of joining next
please
section.
contact the admin once for clarifications about your course. Okay, once.
Okay, sir. Yeah, sir. Thank you so much.
Right. Next student, Bharati.
Yes, sir.
Bharati, tell
May
me.
I audible?
Yeah, audible.
Sir, in Python programming, you will teach UA technologies also, sir?
No, Ma. Python is a coding. UI will be starting separately. In Python programming, this will not come. This is separate.
Only
This
module 1 is coming.
module 1 I am teaching. Module 2 somebody will teach.
Okay,
Some
sir.
other faculty will teach. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next student, Harshita. Harshita. Harshita.
Hello. Sir,
Harshita, tell me, Ma.
sir, I completed my BTech in 2019, sir.
Okay.
ఇప్పుడు పైథాన్ కోర్స్ తీసుకోవడం వల్ల నా ఫ్యూచర్కి స్టార్ట్ చేయడానికి యూస్ఫుల్ ఉంటుందా సార్?
Obviously, because there are some people who are having 5-6 years gap also. Now they are coming and learning Python. But the only thing is we have to work hard on coding, which we are explaining in the class.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right. Next student, Komal. Komal.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening, Ma.
Sir, is this course enough for getting a job as a data analyst, or I have to do another course like SQL, Power BI, machine learning?
Yeah. So after completion of this module 1, only after completion of this Python module 1, when we join the next step of that data science, there we will be covering machine learning, deep learning, AI, and Power BI. These are the things we are covering as a part of data science. If we do module 1, that is the Python here, plus next data science, if you learn it, you can become data analytics engineer, research analyst, and business intelligence engineer, data engineer, and robotics engineer. These many number of roles you will come across when we train like this.
Okay, sir. One another doubt, sir. Actually, I need a suggestion from you. Currently, I am working as a software automation tester engineer.
Okay.
Past 3 years. But now I want to switch into data analyst field.
Yes.
So this is a right decision, or should I work in same field?
See, Ma, if you go to data scientist, the package financially you will get sound, and if you are satisfied with your current package, current career, you can continue, and nothing wrong. You can continue your current career, and you learn, you upskill your things, and you can prepare your resume. You can try for another also by continuing your existing career. You can continue the next high-end career also. You can continue. You can build now.
Okay, sir.
Right.
And sir, one last question. Can I use this course in testing also, like Python automation testing? This course is enough for that also?
Enough, more than enough, because only you are writing scripting there. Scripting you will write it. Test cases you will write in the form of script. That is module 1 is enough.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Next student, another student, Vasudha. Vasudha.
Hello, sir.
Vasudha, tell me, ma'am.
Um, actually, thank you very much because you are explaining everything in good detail. Because
Thank you,
I've been to few classes, few other classes, and I was not at all happy with them. I have a couple of questions, sir. First is, can we do both UI, as a full stack engineer and data scientist? Can we pursue both as a
What I'm
career
saying is, now my reply is, you can build your career when you complete this entire thing. You can go for full stack developer, as you said. To go to the second career to be a data scientist, after doing this part, if you want, you can go to, just now I said to Komal also, to you also I'm saying, you can do data science. There you will be having AI and a DL, deep learning, machine learning, and there are other tools also will be covered. Power BI and etc. will be covered. This will be fulfilling the dream of data scientist. If you continue all the modules which I just now written, you will become a Python full stack web developer.
Okay, because I have experience in UI development, Angular and everything. So just to pursue my career for now, I want to go ahead with full stack, and after that, I want to pursue the data scientist because I also have to pay my bills simultaneously.
Yes.
And also will module, because module 2 I'm not worried about it because I pretty
Easy
much
for
use
you.
it day to day.
Easy.
Yeah. Module 3 and 4, will that be taught by you or will that be done by someone else, sir?
These things you are asking me, who will explain like that? You are asking, right?
Yeah. Like, do you also offer these?
If
Like, will you teach these?
if
Because
my batch is there, you will be allowed attending. If somebody's batch is there, you will be attending that.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir. That's it.
Right. Okay, students. Now, last student, Naresh K. Naresh K.
Hello, hi, sir. Good evening. I have a small question. I don't know, I asked you this before or not. So I want to learn 3 modules. One is MySQL, other one is, core Python, advanced Python, and Power BI. Is this combo is good to go with the career?
It's good, but that is not offering separately. You need to join separate courses.
Yeah, I know that. I need to join separate.
You can do that.
So what is the difference between SQL and MySQL, sir?
If you go for it, actually the features part of it, MySQL is actually, SQL is going to be a standard language for all the databases.
Okay.
SQL is a standard language for all the databases, Oracle, MySQL, SQL Server, DB2, PostgreSQL, for all the databases, SQL is a standard language.
Okay.
And MySQL is going to be a database. They have their own architecture. Oracle is having its own architecture.
Okay.
So this is the database. Database to communicate the language is called SQL.
Okay. So shall I go with SQL, sir, or MySQL?
Better to go for MySQL.
MySQL. Okay, sure. I'll do that. Yeah. Thanks, sir. Thanks, man.
Okay, students, take care. All the best. Don't miss tomorrow class. Very, very important. All the best.